Let me show you how I turn this picture of me with AI into this. Yes, the suit, the background was changed. And this picture of me into this. And this picture of me into the following as well with a free AI tool. It doesn't change the face, just modify the details of what I asked it to change. Let's dive into it. I already wrote some prompts that I will be sharing with you. You can check the description of this video after watching this tutorial to see the link to my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp channel, anyone comfortable for you. And you're going to find the prompt of these images there. So I'm just going to explain the prompt to you. So first of all, I say, don't change my face. This is to ensure that Nano Banana would not change anything on my face. Then I said, only modify my dress. Of course, if you're a man, you are not putting on a dress or whatever it is you want to wear into a deep green turtleneck top and a light green maxi straight skirt with flowers patterned. Straighten my leg and wear me deep green rope sandal heels. Shoes. The studio background should be hyper-realistic black mixed with warm, bright gray, dim light. So I'm just going to copy this first prompt and I will head over to my Google Gemini. If you don't have it yet, then head over to your Play Store or your App Store. This is the app, Google Gemini. So I will tap on open because I already have it. If you don't have it yet, then install it and sign in with your Google account. So after I come in like this, you can see there is Google Gemini Flash, 2.5 flash at the top. So you will see this create image with this banana sign. That is the Nano Banana. So tap on the create image, then tap on this plus icon right here to bring in your image. So I'll tap on the plus, go to my gallery to pick an image of me. Once I tap on the image, then I will tap on this done icon right here. Once I tap on done, then I am going to paste the prompt below this image and I will send it. And in just in few seconds, my image will be ready. So let's look at what it is going to give us with this. So you can see it said generating image. If your network is okay, it is super fast and my image is ready. Can you see this? Although it kind of changed the face a little, but this is really beautiful. This is super amazing. You can see the resemblance. Let's try another prompt and see what it is going to give us. Now, this is the exact prompt I used to get that image. I said, don't change my face, only modify my dress into a long sleeve fancy lady blue color suit with white inner shirt with a loose button around the neck. But this time I will say with a round neck, inner shirt with round neck side on blue trouser. So I said it should be an head shot of me. That means it should not show me in full. And then the studio background should be hyper-realistic wine color mixed with warm, bright red dim light. This picture should be hyper-realistic with clear details. So I'm going to copy it, come back to Google Gemini. Then I am going to bring in the image I want. So I'll go to my gallery, pick the particular image I want to use, which is this. So once I select the image like that, I'll tap on done. Then I will paste this prompt. Like I said, I will be dropping a few prompts in my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp channel. So check the description of this video so that you can get access to the prompts. Now I'm going to send this and we are going to wait for a few minutes. So one way to get different ideas from this is that just be creative, express what you want. The type of cloth you want, the design, just be creative. Like if you want yourself to be in a private jet, if you want yourself to be anywhere, this is just how you can create it. Can you see this beautiful picture? Can you see this beautiful picture? My face is like 90% the same thing. So you are just going to tap on the picture, tap on save, and you will have it on your phone. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next.